Hey guys, welcome back to Upquick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you how to use Samsung Odyssey G3 180Hz gaming monitor. Now, if you're looking at the Samsung Odyssey G3 here, if it's actually good, well, let's first explain what's the Samsung Odyssey G3 here. So, the Samsung Odyssey G3 180Hz is a budget-friendly gaming monitor built for players who want smooth gameplay without spending a lot. Now, it's available in both the 24-inch and 27-inch sizes and features a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, a 180Hz refresh rate here, and a 1 ms MPRT response time. Now, use a VA panel here, which is known for delivering deeper blacks and higher contrast than many entry-level IPS monitors. Now, the monitor here also supports AMD FreeSync, in this case, helping reduce screen tearing and stuttering during gameplay. And one of the biggest reasons this monitor is a good choice is its gaming performance. Now, in this case, the jump from a standard 60Hz display to 180Hz is immediately noticeable here, making games feel much smoother and more responsive. Fast-paced titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike, 2, Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Call of Duty benefit from the higher refresh rates because motion appears clearer and aiming feels more responsive. Now, Samsung also includes gaming features such as black equalizer, which helps brighten dark screens, virtual aim point for supported games, and HD art and support for compatible content. Now, the monitor also comes with a full ergonomic stand that supports height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and pivot, making it easy to find a comfortable setup. Now, setting it up is quite simple. You just need to connect the monitor to your PC using the included DisplayPort cable if you want to use the full 1080Hz refresh rate. Now, you can also connect through HDMI for compatible devices. Now, once connected, open your Windows display settings or graphics card software and change the refresh rate to 180Hz. Now, if your graphics card supports AMD FreeSync, enable it through your graphics driver settings for smoother gameplay. Now, the monitor's on-screen menu also lets you adjust brightness, contrast, response time, black equalizer, and gaming presets depending on what you're playing. Now, where the Odyssey G3 really shines is the competitive gaming. Now, that fast refresh rate, quick response time, and high contrast ratio make it excellent monitor for players who mainly play esports title. Now, ergonomic stand is another highlight since many monitors in this price range only allow tilt adjustments. While the VA panel provides deeper blacks, it may show some darker level smearing in certain fast-moving scenes, which is a common characteristic of VA displays. Now, who is this monitor actually good for? Now, the Samsung Odyssey G3 is a great choice for gamers upgrading from the 60Hz or 75Hz display. Now, first-time PC builders, students who want one monitor for gaming and schoolwork here, and anyone looking for an affordable high refresh rate monitor. Now, it's especially suited for competitive gamers who value smooth motion and responsive gameplay more than high resolution. Now, if your focus is getting the best gaming experience on a budget while still having an adjustable stand and useful gaming features, well, the Odyssey G3 is one of the stronger options in its price range right now. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.